Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. This video is going to be short and precise. We'll show the process how to apply for the fully funded scholarships in North Dakota State University in United States for the session 2026. This scholarship is open for international students. We'll show a detailed application process before we proceed. Let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel for scholarships. If you already subscribed, just like and share this video. Do also follow us on Instagram page here. The link for this scholarship in North Dakota State University is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashflow.com. And on Instagram, you can check out the highlights or story or directly message our team, ask for the link. And you can directly search on Google fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page here, you can read about this particular scholarship. So, North Dakota State University is offering fully funded master's research opportunity to all the prospective master's candidates in United States. So, this application will close on 31st of December, 12th of 31st of December 2026, and it is published recently. Starting of this will be from the 24th of September 2026 and between 17th of May 2027. So you can start anywhere between this period. So working hours per week will be 40 and salary will be around $25,000 per year. A required education will be bachelor's and no experience is required for. So this juniper encouragement has emerged as a defining challenge of rangeland conservation, and in this specialization there is an offer. So the group is seeking highly motivated MS student to investigate on the forage production and response to juniper removal in North Dakota's Badlands. So this position is based out of the School of Natural Resource Sciences at North Dakota State University and is funded through the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and North Dakota Natural Resource Trust. So this selected candidate will work as a member of a team and student will develop lead all components in their thesis research, and in addition to that field work will be there. Some are near Medora, and housing will be provided for the field season as well. And besides that, qualification that candidate must have is having an interest in the field and should have previously a bachelor's degree, should be able to communicate in English language, both written and verbal. And there's a simple process for the application. We'll show that to submit the application. You need to submit one combined document, PDF and doc, to the email delon.fogatry@ndsu.edu, which will include the PDF should include cover letter, CV, transcripts, and contact information of like three references or recommendations. And in subject line, you should mention MS Assistantship Juniper encouragement. And once application is received, it will be reviewed as soon as possible. And position will only remain open until this candidate is a suitable candidate is found. So any questions directly mail to this, and the deadline is application priority deadline is like 15th of August 2026. So if you apply within that and your candidature is suitable and potential for this position, you'll be selected for this position. And by the August September, you'll start the application for the course. Now you can see the official click here on this link. See the official website where the position is listed, and you can see MS Assistantship Juniper Encouragement in the Badlands ecosystem, North Dakota State University, and all details regarding this are is provided here on the official website as well. And this is the school where you'll be enrolled, and there you can see all the information. How do you apply? Submit one combined PDF to this email with a cover letter of your experience and qualifications, your CV, your resume, transcripts, and your recommendations. In email, you should mention the subject as MS Assistantship, Juniper Encouragement, and you should mail it to this email directly. In case you have any confusion, directly write to the professor, DeLong Fogatry. Here you can go to this and people, you can see faculty, you can see the professor who has listed this position. You can go to his profile and check the education, his publications he's working on, research interests. You should do an extensive research on this profile as well, his research work as well, and then mail accordingly in the prospective MS assistantship application along with these documents. And in this cover letter, you should mention that you have been through his profile, have had interest in his works, and that accordingly. So you can see the prof is having MBS from the Bemidji State University in 2023, then Oklahoma State University 2026, 2016 Masters, and then a doctoral degree from the Nebraska Lincoln by 2022. Besides that, his profile from the Google profile or publications published is listed here, and he's teaching in the range management with subject 136. This is additional information in case you have any confusions. Directly ask him, and he'll guide you. Definitely, he's gonna respond as soon as possible, as soon as your candidate is suitable for the position. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the session. This was short and precise session, simple session. There's no long, lengthy application process. Just writing an email to the professor along with the process they have mentioned. How do you connect with them? You connect, definitely gonna review your applications, and if found suitable, you'll be getting hired for the position. And that's it. In case you have any confusions, go to our website fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side, you can see Instagram tab support. Tap on this here, and it will open the Instagram page here where it will link the website as well, and our team will answer your queries from the link you have been redirected from. On YouTube, you can subscribe and share this position with someone who is willing to go US for masters. That too, absolutely for free. And this is the website fullscholarships.net. You should share with them. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.